Now let's run and see if there is any error. Click run, and we have this error, double class found. And I talked about this error. It's very simple. Let's go to the build.gradle.kts, and here I need to add a dependency to solve this error. So just copy and paste this implementation to solve the double class error. Run again, sync and run. And there is another error here. It's inside item_card file. Let's move it. And layout constraint. Oops, I missed a letter T here. So scroll down to here, and here we go. Run again, and oops, our application is crashed. And again, we have this error: attempt to invoke virtual method array list.size on null object reference. If we go the my adapter, and this is the error here because the array list is empty. And to solve this error, I can go to here and inspect logically this algorithm. If we scroll up, we can see the user's adapter passing this users, which is an array list. It's an empty array list. I'm passing it to the user's adapter and then initialize the users.add. So here I am adding the users, but here I am passing the empty array list, and this is what is causing the error. I'll copy this line and cut it and scroll down under the data reference and paste it. Here, user adapter, notify dataset changed, and users, I'm adding the users from the data snapshot. Then I am passing this user array list to the constructor of my adapter class. So now our array list is not empty. Let's run and see. And by the way, I love when the app crashes in order to show you how to solve such errors. Also, we have another error: failed to convert value of type java.lang.long to string. So if you can see, guys, long to string. If we go to the database, we can notice that the phone number is of type long, and I don't need this type of long. So what I need to do is to include it inside double quotes, or I can choose a string. Click enter, and here I need to choose string. Click enter, and here convert it into a string and hit enter. Let's run the application now. Also, we have another error. Let me show you. Attempt to invoke method in null object reference. And to solve this error, I need to initialize the users array list. And by the way, I missed it. New array list. So always initialize all the variables that you create. Let's run again. Ensure that you add the internet permission. And to solve anything related to RecyclerView is not showing anything, I need to cut this and add RecyclerView.setAdapter. Whenever you initialize the adapter, you need to set it directly to the RecyclerView. Let's run. And here we go. This is our application. These are the 3 users in our Firebase database. And we can see group user, phone number, and username are exactly displayed for every user in RecyclerView card view items.